chin up, right?
Yeah, right there is actually perfect where you are. I'm gonna come right over here. Yep, good. Perfect, yep. Good. Yeah, man. Oh, you were locked up down there. Let's get one more. Breath in, chin up, look at that wall in front of you, air all the way out. Perfect. There we go. All right, now you can feel the bottom part come up. And one in here. It's gonna be tender down here. You ready?
Yeah.
So that's all that lat and teres minor and teres major. Those guys can get real tender.
Yeah.
Like right in there, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready for one more?
Yeah, please.
Here we
ahead.
go. Your arm good there?
Yeah.
Good. Nice and tender there, huh?
Yeah.
This will help loosen it all up. Got it?
And then she was checking my ankle too. I just want to make sure that's okay too.
Let's check
Do you
it.
want me to? My left one, there was pain in the heel, and whatever she did the one time, that helped. I can walk bare feet now. So she was just checking that to make sure it was all good. Ooh, that feels tingly on the bottom of my heel.
Right there, right?
Yeah.
You ready?
Uh-oh.
We're gonna pull this off. So, okay. Just need to do it there. Let me check one thing here. There too, huh? Feel that tension right there?
I guess so.
All right, we're gonna do a couple things. All right, just a little right here. Good. Here we go. Good, just relax. One more, you ready? Good. There you go. Great. And then this joint was a little out too, so we got that one too.
Okay, is that it?
That's it, you're all back together.
Okay, thanks. Thank you, I appreciate it.
You're very welcome.